Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the form of a scientist. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, what did Lord Ganesha do to win the competition against his brother Kartikeya, where they had to go around the world 7 times? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. This is the 6th sketch of our series where we draw Lord Ganesh as different profession. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a scientist. Check out the previous videos as well where we draw Lord Ganesh as a soldier and a chef. As we know, the head of Lord Ganesh is elephant's head, so draw accordingly. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a scientist. This is the first stage of the drawing, so use light strokes so later you can erase them, add details. Scientist Ganesh is holding a test tube using which he is conducting an experiment. Tap an eraser over the basic sketch so that we can start with detailing. Start with the details of the head. Detailing is a very crucial process, so take your time while doing it. Next, add detail to the props and the costume. Once you are done with the drawing, let's start with the coloring process. Carefully color this gauge, making sure the color doesn't spill out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. A drawing of Lord Ganesha as a scientist would symbolize the harmonious blend of wisdom and innovation, portraying the deity of intellect and knowledge engaged in scientific discovery, emphasizing that true progress arises when spiritual insight meets rational thought. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it. An amazing sketch of Lord Ganesh as a scientist. Coming back to the artistry trivia question, Lord Ganesha took a different approach. Instead of physically traveling, Ganesha circled around his parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, stating that for him, they represented the entire universe. This act of wisdom and devotion impressed his parents, and Ganesha won the competition by showing that true knowledge lies in understanding deeper meanings rather than mere physical actions. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.